Yo, hello guys, back with another video, and today I'm gonna be showcasing a Rooftop 2 script that works. It's actually pretty good, I can't lie. Like, I've used this multiple times and I actually kind of like it a bit. So wait, let me just turn down this music in the game. Alright, so we're gonna be showcasing this aimbot script on my friend here, Octo. So yeah. Oh, he left. Alright, never mind. So this is a camlock script. Basically, it works on computer and controller. I'm on my alt right now, so all you do is you're gonna execute it, and then there's no UI. It's just automatic camlock. No UI. It just shows up for you whenever you jump. It'll like just go straight through the net, basically. So what it's doing is it's like locking onto the net, and if you like want to know how, like, to make sure it doesn't miss, and also you have to stay on 85 power like every time you shoot. So look what happens if I go to 80 power. See, because what it's doing, it's a high arc aimbot. So stay on 85 whenever you're shooting, and make sure that you're always behind 3.9, because sometimes you can go close, but sometimes it won't work. So you can actually shoot from like pretty much anywhere. It's pretty OP. Except sometimes you'll miss. So yeah, this is a pretty good script. Can't lie, I use this a bit sometimes, so like it's pretty good script. But anyways, I'm gonna end the video here, guys. Enjoy. The script will be in the description in the Discord server.